Hey everyone, welcome back to Arcade Travel. Today we're in Los Angeles at the Kimpton Everly Hotel, a stylish boutique property just steps from Hollywood. We're touring a one king room with a Hollywood sign view, which features modern design, a comfortable king bed, and one of the most iconic views you can get right from your room. Let's head inside and see what it's like to stay at the Kimpton Everly here in LA. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more room tour videos just like this one. Thanks so much again for watching this room tour at the Kimpton Everly Hotel here in Los Angeles. If you enjoy boutique hotel stays or iconic city views like the Hollywood sign room, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Arcade Travel, and drop a comment with the next hotel you'd like to see. See you in the next tour!